Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Wave Watch with your host Sleepy Bull. And in tonight's episode, we'll be going over Ethereum. And I'm back. But like I was saying, this episode we'll be going over Ethereum. The main count, which is the bear count. Guys, Ethereum has been going on the expected path. We've been expecting this wave Y down to be a ABC nature. So far we've had a 1, 2, wave 3, 4 pullback, and this looks like to be this here looks like it's the 5th wave down. All that's left is for us to break this channel, this green channel. So once we did that pullback, wave 5 should be somewhere around 1876. That's what we're looking at. So this should be just the beginning of wave 5 to go to 1876. That's roughly a drop of 20%. And then from there we should be bouncing. So let's just double check here our ABC Fibonacci's to make sure this is correct. Actually no, sorry. Our impulsive wave. So this is wave 1, this is wave 2. This here is wave 3, as I was saying. 1618 is wave 3. ABC pull back to wave 4. Wave 5 down. There it is, yep. 1944, 1876. That's about right. So that's where we're expecting to next. So far, everything has been playing out according to plan with Ethereum. Nothing much to change, nothing much to say. As is customary, we will be going over the macro count, which is a 1, 2, 3, 4 base here, with alternation of 4 with 2. Alternation is 2618, and then wave 5 completion. And now we're in the middle of a B, C, where C wave, or rather said WXY, where Y wave or C wave will terminate roughly here with the 784, a little bit above. I would say $800, $900 level. As you can see, we are at major weekly support. Yes, it could be a good time to buy, but you could also fall through the floor like this. Just for reference, we have that is what we expect to fall through the floor for a completed wave A, for a pullback wave B, and then crash wave C for a completed Y wave down. So just to reiterate, this is like the final ending ABC pattern down. And the best probability for Ethereum, best case scenario is $700. Worst case scenario is $200. But I'm not even going to touch that, because that's if everything really hits the fan. That's what might happen, but I really doubt that's going to happen. So we'll look at best case scenario, which is 706. But so far it's playing out. You know, we're just expecting this ABC wave down of this WXY wave. That's what we're waiting for. Just wait for wave 5 to finish, wave B to come back up. It'll be a complex B, it'll be an A, B, C up, and then a quick crash down. And, you know, I expect to find support around this purple channel that you see here. So the support should be around here. So everything's coming to clear view for now. Also, you know, Ethereum's the king of altcoins, so you should expect it to drag down all the altcoins that are in the market. So let me just pull up a quick chart of others so everyone can see here. There's the others chart. So this is what we have for others. We've finished. Let me pull up the macro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're expecting, we finished our 5-wave move down for A, and we've had our A, B, C move back up. So now, as is customary, this is a rising wedge. So we do expect the C wave to hit all the way down here to the base of the wedge, somewhere around here. So we're going back to 83 billion. I called it here. This is the reversal. See the videos. But mind you, I was also bearish here. So this whole rally I was bearish, but now I'm really bearish. So this drop is another 50%, 60% drop. Could be 50 to 60 around there. Let's zoom in to see. Also to note, there's alternation here. There's also an alternation. So in the rare event that this is not an ABC move up, this can be considered a 1, 2, 3, 4, and an impulsive 5. If that's the case, then technically the macro wave 1 wave is in, and we're in wave 2. So that's the alternate count, the alternate bull count. But I'm not gonna get into that just for brevity's sake. I'll have that count later, but for now, this is the bear count, and we're heading down here. Just interesting to know that there's alternation there. The bearish case, we expect this a giant ABC structure to, either terminate on the 786, 83 billion, or best case scenario 56 billion, around there. Let me just make sure we have our closes aligned. Yeah, that's the weekly. Yeah, we have the closes. Yep, 57. There you go. There you go. So I mean, we can have a truncated C, A, B, truncated C to the 786. Maybe even the 618. But I don't know about that, because sometimes these truncated C's, they're iffy. But usually we have a parity, so it could be a B, C. And so we were expecting an impulsive move in this leg C, because technically we've already started to see what leg down. But this C leg down is not happening in a corrective, impulsive manner. It's happening in a complex manner. Just like these were impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See the impulses here? See this? This is not an impulse. So this is a 5, 3, 3 pattern. So we see an A, B, C for an intermediate W. See how this is intermediate? This is also intermediate. So this is a A, B, C intermediate. This is going to be also an A, B, C intermediate for wave X. And then we expect a B, C leg down here. Somewhere here or even further here. Let's zoom in a little bit here. So it looks like, oops, there we go. Let me lock that in place. So it looks like, this looks like a, what do they call it? Descending broadening wedge. So we might have a little pump up here, somewhere around there, to the, what do they call it? To the X wave retracement, because this is actually this is the X wave. So this X wave, the classic rejection for the X wave is the 618. But as you can see, that went through. So we should expect, I don't know. Let's give it optimism. Let's give it the 236 rejection. Let's see. So we're expecting, right, or as you can see, this is also a complex move up. This is ABC for A. Looks like we have a ABC down forming now, and then we should be expecting an ABC move up to here to finish off this X wave leg. So this is a B, C. There you go. So this ABC leg up should be A, B, C. Let's bring that down one. There we go. So once that's complete, we'll be expecting the next complex ABC done. Something like this. Just crash. Up and then. So we'll see. We'll see. I think that's it. What we're waiting for is this minor pump and then crash down here. And it's not going to be impulsive. It's going to be more so in a complex fashion like this. So don't expect it to be fast. But what I do expect is for Ethereum to continue to follow the plan here, which is this is wave 4 and this is the beginning of wave 5. So we should see a 1, 2, 3 impulsive 4 back test here to this channel, and then 5 to finish it off, and then an ABC up. And I wouldn't be surprised if it does this ABC up with others. Alright, so that's it, guys. Sleepy Bull out.